Andi Lew, Certified Food, Lifestyle and Wellness Coach, and welcome to Cooking for Wellness. I love finding different ways to use my Healthy Roo products, especially this one, which is the Zest Slim Ultimate Protein to help keep you slim. Now we're going to make a beautiful dessert or afternoon snack, which is the baked peaches with the coconut cream with the protein into our yogurt. It can be vegan yogurt or you can have dairy if you're not a vegan. So let's get started by baking the peaches. We start off by grabbing beautifully ripe stone fruit. It can be nectarine as well. Cut them in half and put these on a baking tray. Go to healthyroo.com.au to check out all of the amazing products. Don't forget to take the pit out of these as well and then get them on a baking tray, ready to go. Healthy Roo uses certified organic ingredients in their products, and I like to use organic fruits as well. They taste so much sweeter. Now this is ready to pop in the oven. Whilst the peaches are baking, let's make the coconut caramel Zest Slim Healthy Roo yogurt. Now we need to get some protein. The recommended serving size is just 1 or 2 scoops a day. So let's add 2 scoops into our yogurt. This is creating our coconut cream, which we'll dollop on the end once our peaches are all nice and warm and baked. This beautiful, creamy, cold garnish is going to give it a lovely texture. It's all about how to find clever ways of adding protein into your diet, which is plant-based, and at the same time not missing out on any treats. Check out that coconut cream. It's just like a custard and it's going to be doing so well on our baked stone fruit. You can see how caramelized the peaches are, and now let's dress it with our Zest Slim Healthy Roo yogurt. Coconut caramel goodness. Coconut caramel goes well with coconut shreds. Some pepitas for good fats from plants. Good fats help your hormones and the nervous system. To finish, dust it with cinnamon. And if you've got a sweet tooth, then a little bit of monk fruit sweetener as icing sugar on top. This is the healthiest dessert you'll probably ever make, and the prettiest, right? Thanks to Healthy Roo, we've got the coconut caramel, delicious dollop of yogurt on our baked peaches. I can't wait to dig in. Check out healthyroo.com.au for more products. Don't mind if I do. This is so good.